Welcome, travel enthusiasts, dreamers, and adventurers. Ever wondered if there are places on this planet that would actually pay you to live there? Well, ponder no more. It may sound like a fairy tale, but it's true. Some countries are so eager to increase their population that they're willing to pay you for the privilege of calling their home yours. Intriguing, right? So buckle up as we take a whirlwind tour around the world to the top 10 countries that will actually pay you to live there. First stop, Italy, specifically the charming town of Picturesque Aquarica. Now, who wouldn't want to live in Italy, the country famed for its rich history, stunning architecture, and let's not forget, delectable cuisine. But Picturesque Aquarica isn't just any Italian town, it's a place that's willing to pay you to call it home. That's right, Picturesque Aquarica has put together an attractive package to lure new residents. They're offering to sell you a house for just €1. Yes, you heard it right, a single euro. It may sound like a fairy tale, but it's a reality in this picturesque town. They've got plenty of traditional Italian houses that are just waiting to be loved and lived in. But there's a small catch. You must commit to refurbishing the property within 3 years. It's a small price to pay for a slice of Italian paradise. So, pack your bags and brush up on your Italian. Imagine being paid to live in the land of pizzas and pastas. Next, we're hopping over the Atlantic to the beautiful province of Saskatchewan, Canada. Now, if you're wondering, why Saskatchewan? Well, here's why. This prairie province is not just all about breathtaking landscapes and thriving wildlife, it's also a place that values new residents. Saskatchewan offers the Graduate Retention Program, an initiative that rewards post-secondary graduates who choose to stay in the province. The program provides refundable tax credits to graduates that can reach up to 20,000 Canadian dollars. Talk about a warm welcome, eh? But wait, there's more. Saskatchewan's family-friendly communities, top-notch healthcare, and low cost of living make it a great place to call home. The province is also committed to welcoming newcomers with open arms, offering a host of support services to ensure they feel right at home. Who wouldn't want to be paid to live amidst the stunning natural beauty of Canada? Moving on, we land in the breathtaking mountain village of Ponga, Spain. Nestled in the lush greenery of the Picos de Europa National Park, Ponga is like a scene out of a fantasy novel. But the magic doesn't end with the scenery. Ponga's local government is waving its wand to conjure up some enticing incentives for new residents. In a bid to reverse the village's dwindling population, Ponga is offering a cool €3,000 to couples willing to settle down and start a family there. And that's not all. If you add a new member to your family within the first year, Ponga throws in an additional €4,000. So, you get to live in a postcard-perfect village, raise a family amidst nature's splendor, and get paid for the privilege. Sounds too good to be true, right? But in Ponga, that's the reality. Living in Spain and getting paid for it sounds like a dream. Next up, we're jetting off to Santiago, Chile. This bustling metropolis is not only Chile's capital, but also its largest city, and it's calling out to new residents with some attractive programs. The Chilean government is eager to attract foreign entrepreneurs and is offering a 1-year startup visa to those who have a business project approved by Startup Chile. This program also provides a grant of around $40,000, free workspace, and a full startup acceleration program. But it's not all business. Imagine strolling through the leafy streets of the bohemian Bella Vista neighborhood, sipping on a glass of world-class Chilean wine, or hiking in the nearby Andes Mountains. Santiago is a city that beautifully merges the old and the new, the natural and the urban, the work and the play. Imagine being paid to live amidst the vibrant culture and stunning landscapes of Chile. Next stop, the beautiful and bustling city of Dublin, in the heart of Ireland. Dublin, known for its rich history and vibrant nightlife, is not just a city, but a lifestyle. And guess what? They're ready to pay you to be part of it. Dublin is actively seeking new residents with various incentives. Living in Dublin means immersing yourself in a city with a youthful spirit and a knack for having a good time. The government offers enticing incentives like tax benefits and grants for startups, making it an ideal place for entrepreneurs. They're also offering housing assistance for those looking to settle down in this charming city. So, if you fancy a pint of Guinness, enjoy the company of friendly locals, and wouldn't mind getting paid to live amidst historic architecture and stunning green landscapes, then Dublin is calling your name. Getting paid to live in the land of endless green fields and rich history? What's not to love? Next, we sail to the charming town of Belgrade, Croatia. A gem, nestled in the heart of Europe, this picturesque town offers more than just breathtaking views and a rich history. It offers an incredible incentive to call it home. Yes, you heard that right. Belgrade is actually paying people to move there. The town is offering a house for less than $2. Yes, you heard it right, less than the price of a cup of coffee. But that's not all. They're also throwing in a monetary incentive to help new residents settle in. Imagine that, getting paid to live in a place that's a perfect blend of tranquil country life and vibrant cultural experiences. With its beautiful landscapes, centuries-old architecture, and a community that welcomes you with open arms, it's an offer that's hard to refuse. Who can resist the offer of being paid to live in a picture-perfect Croatian town? Now, we're off to Albanin, nestled in the stunning Swiss Alps. The Swiss village is not just a dreamy landscape, it's a place that will pay you to call it home. In a bid to breathe new life into the community, Albanin launched an initiative offering financial incentives to new residents. Don't worry, it's not just about the money. It's about the lifestyle, the beautiful surroundings, the peace and tranquility that comes with living in a small community. For families willing to settle down for at least 10 years, Albanin is offering a significant sum. Each adult gets 25,000 Swiss francs and 10,000 per child. Of course, there are conditions. You have to be under 45 years of age, and your new home should be your primary residence, among other rules. But hey, it's a small price to pay for being surrounded by the majestic beauty of the Swiss Alps. Getting paid to live amid snow-capped mountains and delicious Swiss chocolates, how tempting. We're now heading to the vibrant city of Taipei, Taiwan. This dynamic city is more than just a bustling metropolis. It's a place where tradition meets modernity, where towering skyscrapers sit side by side with ancient temples. But what if we told you that Taipei is not just a great place to visit, but it's also a city that might pay you to live there? Taipei is actively seeking new residents to contribute to their growing economy. The city offers enticing incentives, from financial grants and tax breaks, to support in starting your own business. Moreover, there are housing subsidies designed to make living in this vibrant city more affordable. And it's not all about the money. Imagine immersing yourself in the rich culture, savoring the mouth-watering street food, and experiencing some of the world's best night markets. Not to mention the stunning landscapes just a short trip away. Imagine being paid to live in a city that's famous for its night markets and towering skyscrapers. Next, we're off to the serene Antikythera Island in Greece. Nestled in the azure Aegean Sea, this tranquil island is a slice of paradise that's eager to welcome new residents. The local government has launched an initiative offering a monthly stipend and a plot of land to anyone willing to move and contribute to the community. Imagine a life where you're surrounded by the breathtaking landscapes of Antikythera. You can spend your days strolling through olive groves, exploring ancient ruins, or simply basking in the Mediterranean sun. This isn't just a dream, but a reality that the island is ready to offer you. While the island is remote, the sense of community here is vibrant. Residents are known for their hospitality, and you'll find yourself quickly becoming part of the local family. This is a chance to escape the hustle and bustle and enjoy a slower pace of life. Who wouldn't want to be paid to live in the land of ancient history and sun-soaked beaches? Finally, we land in the tropical paradise of Mauritius. This island nation, set in the sparkling waters of the Indian Ocean, is more than just a breathtaking holiday destination. Mauritius is actively encouraging foreigners to settle down with enticing packages. The Mauritian government has introduced a premium visa, allowing non-citizens to work remotely from the island for a year, with the possibility of extension. Imagine working from a beachfront villa, the sound of waves as your office soundtrack. And that's not all. The country also offers a host of tax benefits, and there's no inheritance tax. The cost of living? Surprisingly affordable. High-quality healthcare and education services, a stable political climate, and a multicultural society that speaks English and French make Mauritius an attractive relocation destination. Getting paid to live in a tropical paradise? Now that's a dream come true. And there you have it, the top 10 countries that will pay you to live there. From the historic charm of Italy's Prosciutto Aquarica to the tropical paradise of Mauritius, each of these destinations offers unique incentives to make them your new home. So why not dive deeper and explore these opportunities? You never know. Your next adventure could be just a click away. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, safe travels.